first question that you have is 2 plus x to the power 4.
Yep.
Okay. Here you need to first you need to find the general term, right? Then you will be able to find the coefficient of the term. It's not like that. It's not like that. General term is determined with the another approach. Release your screen. I just make you understand. I'm just going to make you understand. We are going to do binomial expansion. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, it is.
So first question is find the coefficient of x to the power 4 in the expansion of 4 minus 3x to the power 7. Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, so first we find the general term. General term is general term TR plus 1 equals to NCR and A to the power n minus R, B to the power R. Okay. We have TR plus 1 equals to NCR. N is 7. Here N equals to 7. A equals
Okay.
to 4. B equals to negative 3x. Okay.
Yep.
So NCR, that is 7CR, A to the power n minus R. A is 4, 4 to the power 7 minus R, and negative 3x to the power R. Here, by simplifying, we have 7CR, 4 to the power 7 minus R, and negative 3 to the power R, x to the power R. If we need to find the coefficient of x to the power 4, okay, the coefficient of x to the power 4, that means the value of r must be equal to 4. Only then we can get coefficient of x to the power 4, because only variable x has power r. That means we have to find we have to take r equals to 4. Now put r equals to 4, the coefficient of x to the power 4 will be, so this will be 7c r, r is what, 4, and 4 to the power 7 minus r, r we have 4, and negative 3 to the power 4. This will be the coefficient of x to the power 4. What is coefficient of x to the power 4? The constant term excluding x to the power 4. That is the coefficient of x to the power 4. So we have 7c4 means factorial 7 over factorial 4 and over multiplied by 7 minus 4 factorial. Do you understand, Rajveer? Are we clear
Hold
so
on.
far?
Let me just try something quickly. Hold on. Yes.
See, why we are taking TR plus 1, since if in the expense, if we are expanding, we are taking suppose third term. So for third term, we have NC2 because it starts from 0. That's why if we want to take NCR, then it will be TR plus 1, means R plus 1th term, because it starts from 0, NC0.
Okay.
NC0. That's why we are taking TR plus 1. The formula for getting the general term is NCR A to the power n minus R and B to the power R. So here we have A equals to 4, B equals to negative 3x, and n equals to 7. So
Yeah.
7CR, 4 to the power 7 minus R, and minus 3x to the power R. See, minus 3x to the power R can be written as minus 3 to the power R and multiplied by x to the power R. As we know that AB to the power m can be written as A to the power m, B to the power m.
Yeah.
So it is minus 3 to the power R, x to the power R. Now, since we have to find the coefficient of x4, x to the power 4. So when we will get x to the power 4, when can we obtain x to the power 4? Only when
When R
the value
when
of
R is
r is
4.
4, isn't it? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So we are taking r equals to 4 in the given general term. So n is 7 and r is 4. We have obtained r equals to 4. So putting r equals to 4 in the given general term, we have 7c4 in place of r, we have 4, and 4 to the power 7 minus 4 minus 3 to the power 4. Whenever we uh, need to find coefficient of any variable, so we take the constant term associated with the variable, right? If we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 4, so whatever constant term is associated with it, that will be the coefficient of x to the power 4. Now tell me, did you understand or should I explain once again?
I understood
Till
that
here.
part, but yeah, till here.
And now the expansion of 7C4. We know that NCR. What is NCR? Can you tell me?
Is it not uh, like it's not equal to,
It is factorial n
yeah, over
divided by
R
factorial
and
r n minus r
n minus
factorial.
R factorial.
Yes, that's what we did over here. So 7CR is 7C4 is 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial and 7 minus 4 factorial. 4 to the power 7 minus 4 is 3 and minus 3 to the power 4. So this will be 7 factorial. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, isn't it?
Yeah.
And divide by 4 factorial multiplied by 7 minus 4, 3 factorial. So this 4 factorial will be cancelled out, and 4 cube is what? 64, and minus 3 to the power 4. Can you tell me minus 3 to the power 4? What is the value of that?
Minus 3 to the power?
4.
The negative 81.
Negative 81 or positive 81?
Oh, sorry, no, it'll be positive.
It's positive 81. Yes, when we have even power of a negative number, then it becomes positive. If power is odd, the power to the negative number is odd, then it is negative. Otherwise, it is
Yeah.
positive. So this will be 27. Now we have 7 into 6 into 5. And what about factorial 3? What is the value of factorial 3?
Hold on.
It's 321. I'll again request you, if you do not understand anything, even if it is very
It
small
will be
thing,
6.
please ask me.
It will be 6.
Yes, it will be 6. Yes, 64 times 27. So 35 times 64 times 27. Now you just need to multiply them, and this
Wait,
will be the answer. You can even use the calculator to get the answer as well, because calculator is allowed in your exams. Only in India, we don't have to use calculator in our exams. Even in India, in some of the boards like ICSE and other boards, they use calculator. Yes, what is the value?
no, I want to ask, right? So for the top one, as in 7 times 6 times 5, you wrote 64 times
Mm-hmm.
27, right?
27. Yes.
Yeah, 64 times 27.
The
So,
final
and
answer
then
is 35 times 64 times 27. Yes.
where did we get that 35 from?
Yes, Raju.
Where did we get that 35 from?
Where 35 from here? This one. Factorial 7 over factorial 4 into factorial 3.
But isn't the 4 cancelled out?
4 factorial is cancelled out. It's not 4. It's 4 factorial. Because 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It continues till 1. But since we can observe that in the denominator we have factorial 4, so to cancel them, we just stopped there. Means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 can be written as factorial 4. Okay?
Yeah. And
Factorial
it
4
says
is what? What is factorial 4? 4, 3, 2, 1. So 7 factorial was to be continued till we get 1. Since we have factorial 4 in the denominator, to cancel them out, we took factorial 4, 765, and then factorial 4. Got it?
okay.
So we have we have 7 into 6 into 5 divided by factorial 3. And factorial 3 can be written as 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 will be cancelled out from numerator. So we just have left out 7 into 5, that is 35. So 35 into 64 into 27. That's it. Did you understand?
Yeah, I got 60,480.
Have you understood now?
Yeah.
Okay. 27. Yes, 60,480. So this will be the coefficient of x to the power 4 in the given expansion.
Could you
Okay,
go
this
up
will
as
be the
well and look at the top part?
coefficient. This will be the coefficient of x to the power 4. Now coming to the next question, I am giving more questions of such type. I have IGCSE book with me, binomial theorem, grade 12,
Wait,
IGCSE.
the sum that we did, was it 4 minus 3x to the 7?
Yes, 4 minus
I
3x to the power 7.
I saw the
Is
like,
it?
because on the website you can check the answer for the website, and it was
Mm-hmm.
118, yeah, 181,440 was the coefficient.
What is the question?
It was the same one we did. Find the coefficient of the
Can
term
you read it
in
once again? Can you read it once again?
the question.
Yes.
Find the coefficient of the term
Can
in
you read
x
the
to the power 4 in the expansion of 4 minus 3x to the power 7.
if we haven't done any calculation error, then the answer would be the same. Let me go through the question. Question is the coefficient of, you need to find the coefficient of x to the power 4, right?
Yeah.
In the expansion of 4 minus 3x to the power 7. So it is 4 and 7 minus 4, 3, 64. Can you share your screen again? I'm releasing it. Just a minute. Yes, share your screen. Show me the question again. Find the
Okay.
coefficient of the term in x to the power 4. Find the coefficient of the term in x to the power 4 in the expansion of 4 minus 3x to the power 7. So why you have taken 4 to the power minus 3? It's 4 to the power 3, not minus 3.
So this is not me. This is just the answer that they gave. This is how they got this answer. This is the correct answer.
The same thing we have done. Na? We have done the same thing. We have same thing. 7c4, 4 to the power 7 minus 4, that is 3. 3 will be there. Yes, and negative 3x to the power 4. We have done the same thing. If we have done same thing, answer should be same. So maybe we have mistaken somewhere in calculation because we have the same thing. Na? We got the same thing. 7c4. Uh, check your notebook. You wrote the same thing over there. 7c4, 4 to the power minus 3, minus 3x to the power 4. So minus 3 to the power 4 is what? 81. Let me check the calculation. Hmm, 7c4 is 7 into 8 into, oh, okay, 7 into
7c4 is
6, sorry. 7 into
35.
6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, it's 5040 and divided by, divide by 24 factorial 4 and factorial 3, divide by 6. So it was 35. Yes, 35 times 81, okay, and times it's same. You have mistaken in the calculation, Rajveer. The simple thing I had given to you, handed over to you to do the calculation.
Um, okay, so you told me to do
I'm just
35 times
35 into 81 into 64. It comes
35
the
into
same thing
81,
that we have. I'm sending you the
64.
calculation. See here. I have sent you something on your WhatsApp. 35 times 81 times 64 is 181,444,440. And there is the same thing in the on the screen. Okay. See, one
Yeah.
thing you must be clear into your mind that whatever I'll teach you, that will be perfectly fine. If I have even 1% of doubt in mind, I generally tell my student that I'll once again go through it and then I'll tell you the answer. Because there is nothing wrong in that. But there is wrong if I teach you something wrong. Getting me? So don't worry about that. What? Yes, calculation error or some silly error is a part of it. That is quite possible to be happened. Just a minute. We will do some more questions. I have S level book. I just got it. I'm giving more questions. Okay, here it is. Find the coefficient of y cube. I'm writing a question over here.
Yep.
Yes, find the. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Find the coefficient of y cube, coefficient of y cube in the expansion of in the expansion of 2 plus y to the power 2 plus y square to the power 5. No, 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 no. It's not y square. It's y only. 2 plus y to the power 5. Can you do this question yourself and send it to me? Because this is the same type of question that I have sent you. Yes. From the PDF that I have sent you, question number 3 is find the binomial expansion of 1 minus 5x whole to the power 4 in ascending power of x. In ascending
Yeah.
power of x. So, how will you expand it?
Well, you'd expand it
1
normally, but
minus 5x. Yes.
when you get the final answer, you just put it in order of
First, we
power.
will do. No, yes, yes, yes. Exactly. So we have 4C0 and one has any power, it becomes one only. We get one only. And negative 5x to the power 0 plus 4C1 1 to the power 3 minus 5x to the power 1 4C2 1 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2, yes, minus 5x to the power 2 plus 4c3 1 to the power 1 minus 5x to the power 3 and 4c4 1 to the power 0 minus 5x to the power 4. Okay. So 4c0 is 1 minus 5x to the power 0 is again 1. So this whole term is 1. This whole term is 1 plus 4 and minus 5x plus 4c2. 4c2 is what? 4 times 3 over 1 times 2. 146 and coefficient is 146 like this. Okay. 25x square minus 5x
Will be 6.
whole square is 25x square plus 4c3 that is 4 cube. Yes, Rajveer. Where did you get stuck?
No, no, you can continue, sir.
Yes. Do you understand? Or should I explain to you
Yeah.
again?
No, no, I understand.
See, this whole term will be 1. Negative
Hmm.
125x cube. Okay. And plus 4c4 only. Negative 5x to the power 4. Negative 5x to the power 4. So this will be
Yeah.
625x to the power 4. Now we can rewrite the whole thing. 1 minus 20x plus 6 times 25 is 150 square minus 500x to the power 4. This is ascending our power of x. This is in order, in fact. We got the answer in order. Answer is given below the question. 1 minus 20x plus 150x square minus 500x cube plus 625x 4.
Yeah.
So answer is correct. Question 4. Find without any calculating add the first three terms in the expansion of this in ascending power of x. Question number 4.
Hmm.
Can you do it on the board, Rajveer? Do you have a note
So
with you? Means I think you are joining from